National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Licking County until 4:15 p.m. At 3:54 p.m., radar indicated a severe thunderstorm located near Brownsville, moving east at 40 miles an hour. Storm hazards include winds to 60 miles an hour, penny-sized hail.
What?
The severe thunderstorm will affect mainly rural areas of southeastern Licking County, including Brownsville, Grady, and Devoso. This includes the following Interstate 70 between mile markers 135 and 142. Seek shelter in a sturdy building. Stay away from windows and doors until the storm has passed. To report severe weather, go to our website at weather.gov/ION and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely.
Okay.
Mile, including.
Anyways, folks, now start right now. Okay. Now, folks, as everybody knows, I watch to see, and now we got like 1, 2, 3, 4 severe thunderstorm warning. Holy crap. So folks, have a good day or not, the choice is yours, and have a good day, folks. Goodbye.